would you do if your significant other came up to you and said, you can spend about $150 on whatever? I know what I'd do. West Coast metric, here I come. Yeah, virtually. Anyway, I don't think $150 would cover the trip there. Anyway, this is a story about that very thing. You didn't see me using gas to clean. I would never do anything so irresponsible. Beauty. Ooh, God, that's such a nice tight fit. Beautiful. Future Joshua Bardwell here. Sorry, wrong video. Future David here. After using this dipstick a while, it became harder and harder to turn. After doing a little bit of research, my suspicion was correct. And as it turns out, petroleum jelly is a very suitable product to use on a cork gasket. Silky smooth. I think we can do better. We're getting there. It's a little bit better. Very nice. Before thoroughly cleaning my gas cap, I had absolutely no idea that this centerpiece is actually free floating on a spring in here. Does yours do that?
These taillight lenses are old, but in surprisingly good condition, all things considered. $150 sounds like a lot of money to me still, but it actually doesn't go as far as one would hope. So I didn't get the seals between the lens and the housing. That will be very easy to add later. As I feel you must do with all new parts, I'm checking this seal for fit. I'm just addressing some fitment issues here really quickly. The taillight seals have a lip built in, so the proper method of installation is to fit the edges of the housing into the rubber seal before securing it to the body of the car.
Said I'll edit you out of the video. Yeah, now you know. It's dangerous coming out here.
I'm really trying to avoid tearing up the holes in these caps, which is made even more difficult by shoving 2 wires through this one. With a little extra care, shoving the terminal through the hole doesn't have to guarantee ruin.
That's about it for this week. While I did spend about $150 at West Coast Metric, the car was not ready to receive all of the items that I purchased, so those will happen later. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things.